QUEENIFICATION1 back at you again with yet another video. Happy Friday, you guys. Today's video is going to be an update video of this wig. It was the $130 Brazilian unprocessed lace front. I will put a card up here as well as put the video information below in the description bar so you guys can definitely check that out. I just wanted to give you guys a 1 month update on how this wig is, let's just say, performing, I guess. But yeah, if you guys saw the initial unboxing video, the wig was just kind of normal, just fresh out the box or whatever like that. But I did want some like waves. So what I did a couple things actually, and this was really about 2 weeks ago when I actually decided to do that. I was watching a movie and I was like, well, I'm watching a movie, let me just roller set the wig. So that's what I did. So I took these rollers here. Unfortunately they're all black, but and you can't see them up against my hair, my shirt, so I'll just put them up against my backdrop here. So I used a larger one, I used a medium-sized one, and I also used a small one, and I just kind of sporadically placed them throughout the wig. Now I knew that I wanted like a looser wave in the back, so I did try and use the bigger rollers in the back of my hair. These are just the, of course I would drop it. These are the rollers that have the little clip to it. Now you can't use it like a regular roller. You can just take the clip off and not use it, and just you know, when you roller set the hair, you can just put a pin curl clip on. But I actually like these little clips. It's just easier. Anyway, so I just used some mousse, just some random mousse I had lying around. I think it was like Tresemme. Was it Tresemme? I can't remember. But it was just some mousse I had because I do roller sets on my natural hair as well. So I just had some mousse lying around and I decided to use it. But the great thing about it is the mousse was not like crunchy and stiff. So the hair still has like a lot of movement to it. I wish I was more like better at editing, because I would put like a picture, like I took 2 pictures, one of the front of the wig after I took the rollers out, and one of the back of the wig after I took the rollers out. But I'm not that I'm not that good at editing, so I can't include them here, but I will put them at the end of the video so you guys can check out those pictures. Anyway, when I was done, the front was a little bit too, it was still a little bit too curly for me. So what I did was I just took my my flat irons and I kind of flattened it out a little bit and like curled it back. So after I did that, oh, and I also want to tell you guys that I let the wig air dry. I didn't like blow dry it or anything, so I just let it sit overnight and then it was dry the next day. So what I did was after I did all of that, I took the you know, I took the wig and I put it on, and what I did was I just kind of, it seemed like a lot of work to do and then just to brush it out, but I didn't want like ringlets. I wanted just like waves. So I brushed it out. And you guys can still see, it's been about maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks now. And I've worn it a few times since then. So the waves have fallen a lot. But this is kind of what I was going for. This is kind of what I was going for. This is exactly how I wanted it to turn out. And basically, I just wanted to let you guys know that this hair curls really, really well with heating tools. Like I said, I used my flat iron on the front. And I honestly have not used the flat iron since then. It's kind of kept its shape. Because what I normally do is when I take out the, when I take off the wig at night and put it back on my mannequin head, what I do with the front at least, is I take the front and I take probably 2 big sections on this side. And I will just form like a little curl. And then I'll just pin curl it. So I do that and I leave it on my mannequin. So it'll be 2 big ones on this side and 2 big ones on this side. and I just like let the pin curl stay in there until the next day when I'm about to wear it again. And then I let it down, and either I'll take my brush to it and just do something like this. Like I'll just take it and just, let me see if you guys can see this, brush it backwards and just do that, and it gives that nice little swoop. You guys know I love my swoops. If you have watched my videos in the past, you know that I absolutely love my little Aaliyah swoop. So I definitely do that. And this is basically how I've been wearing the wig. This is basically how I've been wearing the wig, you guys. I absolutely love it. I haven't tried to like color it or bleach it out or anything like that yet. It can be bleached, colored, dyed, all that good stuff. So I haven't tried that yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it to this wig. I am thinking about purchasing another one. Again, this is a good starter wig. If you don't want to invest like $500 in a full lace wig, I think this is a really good like alternative, because this wig was only $130. You do have that 2 inches of lace across from ear to ear, and you can kind of part it anywhere. Now, I don't really, with this wig, the part isn't really that important to me for it to be like realistic looking or anything like that, because I just kind of do it like this. So, the part being realistic is not really that important to me. But, yeah, so this is basically it, you guys. I did have another video. I was going to do another story time today, but I was already, wearing this wig today. So I decided that I was just going to do a 1-month update to let you guys know that this wig is holding up pretty well. And like I said, it curls really well and all of that good stuff. So if I decide to bleach it or anything like that, I will definitely try and do a video on that, or at least pictures or something like that so you guys can see it. But as for right now, I don't think I'm going to do any of that to this wig. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all at QUEENIFICATION1, and I will see you guys in the very next video. If there's anything you guys would like to see, definitely let me know below in the comment section, and I will definitely check that out. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. I hope to see you in the very next video. Have a great weekend. Happy Friday. Bye.